In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign on Mailchimp step by step. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process of designing an email that stands out and speaks to your audience. Let's begin with accessing Mailchimp. Once you're logged into your Mailchimp dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is click on Create Email. This is the starting point for setting up a new email campaign. You should see the option prominently on your dashboard, so give that a click when you're ready. Now, once you've clicked on Create Email, you'll be prompted to make a choice. Do you want to use a pre-designed template or start from scratch with a blank one? If you're looking for a quick and easy setup, a pre-designed template might be the way to go, as it provides a head start with a variety of styles. On the other hand, starting from scratch allows for full customization. For today's demo, we'll explore starting from scratch to give you a clear picture of what you can create on your own. So scroll down the templates page until you reach the blank layout section. Each layout offers a different column structure, which serves as the foundation for your email design. Take a moment to consider what kind of layout would best suit the content you plan to send out. This will provide the framework into which you'll drag and drop content blocks such as text, images, and buttons. Next, you'll need to choose the column type that fits your design vision. Whether it's a single column, double column, or something more complex, this decision will shape how your content will flow in the email. Once you've made your selection, click on the layout you prefer and you're ready to continue building your email. When you're satisfied with your column choice, click Done. This confirms your layout selection and readies the editor for the next step, which involves populating your chosen layout with content. This is the part where you can let your creativity shine. You'll have the freedom to drag the content blocks you want to the columns you've set up. These blocks can include text areas, images, buttons, or even dividers to help structure your message in an engaging way. Simply click on the block type at the top and drag it to your layout, positioning it exactly where you want. Congratulations, you've now set up the basic structure of your email campaign. From here, you can continue refining the content, adding images, links, and graphics that align with your branding and messaging. This customization process is what will truly make your email unique and effective for your audience. And there you have it, an intuitive way to create captivating emails with Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and happy